All right, so today I have a Ford F-150 and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hazard lights on this vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the vehicle. All right, I'm in the vehicle, the Ford F-150, and I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of the vehicle, and I'm going to turn on the hazard lights. Now, what you're going to do is, I'm on the driver's side, I'm going to look towards the middle. And do you see that button right there? This button right here is the hazard light button. Hazard light, hazard flashers button right here. And so when I press this, the hazard lights are going to come on. Now watch this. I'm going to press this and you hear a clicking noise, right? You hear a clicking noise. And if you look right here on the instrument panel, it will show you that the blinker's on, the left one and the right one, indicating that the hazard lights are on. Now, to turn this feature off, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go right back over here to where this triangle button is, and you're gonna press it again. And when you press it, you come back right here and you see that the hazard lights are off. And that's how you turn on and off the hazard lights, or also called the hazard flashers, in a Ford F-150. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.